What if you could walk through Peter Parker's apartment like it was a real place? That's exactly what we're doing today. Today we're giving you the ultimate tour of Peter Parker's apartment in Greenpoint, Brooklyn, and by the end, you'll feel like you actually visited Peter Parker yourself. Be sure to hype and subscribe. Now grab some snacks and pay attention.
The heat in the city that gets consumed. Yeah, you can move these books.
Is to the message?
All this mail. I'm gonna paint. See, yeah. Look at this. Stereo. Oh, stereo. Wow. I didn't even see this.
car.